How to buy Minecraft Java Edition. For this, open up browser, search for Minecraft, click Minecraft official website, click buy now. In this, you have seen the various editions of that. Click Java Edition. Depends on the device, you can choose it. And you have seen the various collections of that. You need to click Ultimate, Deluxe, Standard collections of that. Depends on you. You can click it. I choose Deluxe collection. After choosing, click Checkout. The sign in page will appear. In this, you need to click Sign in with Microsoft. Enter the Microsoft account username and password. Stay sign in is depends on you. You can click yes or no. It will be stayed sign in this device. Once complete after, wait for a couple of seconds to load and the payment settings are open. In this you need to check it and depends on you. You can choose it. Follow the steps one by one. Once complete after, open up the Minecraft launcher and play it. So this is how to buy the Minecraft Java edition. Thank you.